Let's meet Robert, a university student in Covina. He is very much fond of the iPhone or any other Apple gadgets. Few months ago, Robert noticed that his iPhone suddenly started malfunctioning. He became upset and worried about the money he had to pay for the repair works. While searching online about the most reliable iPhone repair service store near him, he learned about iTech Xpress, a local iPhone repair place in Covina. Being satisfied with their previous customer feedback, he immediately visited their store with his malfunctioned device. Their expert technicians offered best possible repair solutions and returned his device back in proper working condition within the same day. Robert was very much satisfied with their affordable and quick repair solutions. Are you in the same situation? Call them at 626-777-4747 or you can visit their official website https://ichexpressinc.com/.